What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Mara stock. Guys, is Mara stock a buy here? Because we are at this 200 days moving average and I was talking to you guys as if it would break this trend line, we would come down to 200 days moving average. So we are over there, Junior Trader now, it has come over there, it's the time to buy. So we'll take a look at all of that in this video guys, if it makes sense here to buy or shall we wait or all that stuff. Or shall we continue shorting it, right? All that stuff we'll take a look at in this video. Before going further, I want to let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. And also please hit the like and subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful. So what we have here is right now Mara has lost this trend line that it was trying to find support for quite some time, right? It would try to find its support here, support here, support here. So this trend line was very important. However, it just didn't lose that trend line. This blue box that you are seeing is such an important area from 10 years. So if I take you to the weekly interval, this is where the price has reacted the most. You can see support, support, resistance, resistance, right? And resistance and support. Oops, sorry. Yeah, support, support. And I can keep taking you back 10 years ago. Here we are already 10 years ago. Oh, well, 12 years ago almost now. 2012. So it has acted as a support resistance quite a lot in these areas, okay? And recently as well, this is where we were looking at how the price would react here, because lately it has acted as a support and resistance over here as well. So here you go, here you go, here you go, support resistance, and trying to come back up as support and then failure. We still took that rebound move and made good money, and now we have been flushing lower. That's what I was saying, that if we lose this trend line, we have a high probability, close to 80% and more, to continue lower to 200 days moving average. And then we'll take a look at the price action. So yeah, we are over here. Shall we go and buy it? Well, not that quite quick, okay? No, wait. Let's see the price action. Let's go to the hourly interval. So right now, what am I seeing on this, on hourly interval? So if it helps sometimes, guys, we can take a look at 4 hours because it will be less cluttered chart actually. So what am I seeing on 4 hours interval is lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, continuous downtrend, right? And so am I seeing any confirmation of the upside, uptrend? This is the downtrend, right? Am I seeing any uptrend? No, I'm not seeing any uptrend. So no, it's not time to buy because the structure is not there. Even it's at 200 days moving average, the structure is not there. Does it mean it's going to keep falling? Well, not really. So 200, that's why we are looking at this price here right now at 200 days moving average, because it's the critical important level that we have to watch how the price would react over here. Now, if the price at this 200 days moving average starts to go up and recapture $16.80, that could be a start, at least a little bit in the bullish side. However, we won't be fully bullish on the swing side because we have a significant resistance at $17.41. Structure would change again only to upside if Mara can get above $17 and this area of 30 cents or so, $17.38. If Mara can't recapture this, guys, this is not in an uptrend. That 200 days moving average is not a confirmed support. It's an area to watch for a support because this is where we would expect the price to react the most. But is that confirmation there yet? No. What we want to see is a couple of consolidations here and then breaking out of $17.44 or 38 cents. This, I'm not gonna be precise penny to penny here, but that's what we have to look for. So yes, before the change of direction, we would be seeing, we need to see some consolidation and then structure change to the upside at the level of $17.41. So otherwise, no, it's still a In the downtrend, it's still a short play, and that's what it is right now. Like if we go back to the daily interval, what you want to see is something similar like this. Consolidation going up, and it's very common for it to test it again, that same zone, and then that's the confirmation for again upside. But right now Mara is not showing me any of that. It's in the downtrend, so if it wants to break 200 days moving average, now no one is stopping it from doing that. And then the next level it can come down to $14.62. It's also very common for anyone trying to buy here, they would have their stop loss here. So liquidity grab is also a possibility that may happen. So if you see one day candle go down and then back up, then you can see together with that, okay, that was the liquidity grab, and then you can see one of these structure breaks after that liquidity grab. Even $16.80 would be a good confirmation if it went lower, grabs the liquidity, all those stop losses hits, and if it comes back up, then you don't even have to wait for $17.41. $16.80 would be a confirmed level to go upside again. But we don't have any of those scenarios playing out right now. We don't have any of those confirmations right now. So to answer the question, that is Mara a buy at this place of important support, the answer is, in my opinion, no. You can go and do whatever you want, that's up to you. Okay, in my opinion, no, it's not a buy. I would not buy Mara right now. And yeah, that would be it. So again, if I already gave the structure what to watch for if it has to go up from here, so that would be that. Because I don't get time every week to cover all these stocks. I usually catch up a lot of these stocks over the weekend, but I provide all the scenarios and the play that if this structure develops this way, then this is the area of confirmation. So what are the levels to watch for confirmation for the change of structure, right? So that I'm here only providing education on how to trade technically. So that's pretty much it. Cool, good stuff. All right, guys. Well, that's all for this video. I did some lot of other videos as well, guys. Tesla, ARM, AMD, Nvidia. I'll be doing a lot more videos over this weekend as well. So please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.